Hey Gold Hill family, I'm excited to share details about our new assembly schedule that'll begin June 6th, 2021. During all of the time with COVID protocols, our shepherds spent a lot of time thinking about how we as a congregation could really emphasize our time in Bible classes and worship when we were able to meet together again. Their goal in doing this was to provide a structure that would make the most of the worship that we offer to God and that would maximize the benefits of children and adults attending Bible classes. So, on June the 6th, 2021, we're going to begin a new schedule on Sundays, and I'm so excited to share it with you. We'll meet for Bible classes Sunday mornings from 9:30 to 10 in the morning. This will provide our children's teachers with the opportunity to share that day's Bible material with their students on a high-level form. Then, we will meet for an extended period of worship from 10:10 to 11:30 on Sunday mornings. Now, there are three things that this extended format is going to make possible. First, we'll be able to take more time in reflection during the Lord's Supper. Second, we'll be able to sing more songs. And third, this is new, our shepherds will have the opportunity each week to share something that's on their hearts and then to pray for and with all of us about that thought. It's going to be great to spend more time in worship to God in these ways, in addition, of course, to the other avenues by which we express our worship to God. And hey, don't worry, the sermons aren't going to get any longer. Plus, what a blessing to have elders who are in tune with the needs and with the blessings of the Lord's church here at Gold Hill Road. And then to have them lead us all in prayer, asking God's blessings on us and on the work that He's doing from this place. That's Sunday morning worship, 10:10 to 11:30 a.m. Our Sunday evenings will take on a new emphasis. We'll continue to have a period of worship, of course, at the beginning of our time together. And then we'll break out into our classrooms for additional Bible class time. The evening Bible classes will provide the children's teachers the opportunity to dive deeper into the Bible passages from that morning, which will help to reinforce with application and the use of other tools to help our children know and remember the truths from God's Word. Our adults will get to select from several class offerings in the evenings, some here in the auditorium, and other classes in various locations throughout the church building. All of this will take place on Sunday evenings at a new time from 5 to 6 p.m. The elders believe that this new time will afford several advantages, the biggest of which is that there will be plenty of time for fellowship, either before or especially after our Bible classes. Youth activities, congregational fellowship meals, other opportunities just to spend more time with each other is going to be made possible by moving our assemblies to 5 p.m. And efforts are being made to plan consistent activities following our PM worship and Bible classes. It would be foolish not to learn lessons from all that was 2020 and 2021. I think among what we have learned is this: worship is a privilege that we should not take lightly. So let's invest more into it, making the most of the unique opportunity that we have just to push pause on our busy lives and focus on God. I think we also learned that we need to be together as God's family more often. And the fun, engaging, slightly more relaxed atmosphere of Bible classes can help us achieve the goal of getting us together while also fostering the environment of spiritual growth. But none of this will be as good as it could be without you. So make plans to support our new meeting times. Sunday morning Bible classes, 9:30 to 10 a.m. Sunday morning worship, 10:10 to 11:30 a.m. Sunday evening worship and Bible classes, 5 to 6 p.m. And of course, Wednesday evenings at 7 p.m.